Love the fact that everyone here is so on fire for God, that all the lecturers really love God. It's not just an academic thing for them. You can really tell that their hearts and their minds and everything that they live for is for God. And I think that then is such an encouragement to help me pursue in the academic side of it, and to keep studying. Which coming in, I was a bit like, oh, anyone can believe whatever you want as long as your gospel's true. But I think, it's good to see that actually it's better to be convicted on certain things. And yet you can be convicted and still love others and work with others very well. And I think that's really modelled well here. Seeing that in actual reality and reading about it, and I think that's really just given me a massive greater perspective on God and how much he cares for his church and cares for each individual in the church. And that in and of itself then leads me to love God more.